Whenever I explain what BCS does, I always refer to the 4 R's: recycle, reuse, repair, and report. And within those 4 R's, we can handle anybody's excess product. One major aspect of BCS is our repair and refurbishment division. Companies were either landfilling the stuff or sitting on it, not sure what to do with it, or selling it to people that were putting the stuff back into channels that the customers didn't want it back into. And we can give those products a second life through our repair business. We're surprised at how many companies don't know there's a solution like us out there. We go look at each customer and we basically customize or tailor fit a solution that will work for them.